Welcome to 18 of 232 Railway Parade in Kogarah. We have a lovely 2-bedroom apartment with 2 bathrooms and a huge balcony. Located in a modern complex, walking distance to Kogarah station and shops. Just a great location. Modern kitchen with gas cooktop, security building and dishwasher, stone bench tops, nice open lounge room with air conditioning, gas bayonet. Through the corridor to the first bedroom. It's a good size with a built-in wardrobe and access to the balcony. Modern bathroom with a bathtub, toilet, internal laundry setup. Main bedroom also has access to the balcony and a large built-in wardrobe. And an ensuite, which is a good size, full shower. Really nice property, nice and bright, plenty of windows, elevator access, basement security parking, and as mentioned, easy access to Kogarah Centre. If you wish to make an appointment to view the property, please contact the office 9588 2977.